Updating the look of the exterior of your home has so many benefits. I mean, it adds to the street appeal, it can definitely add to the value of your home, and it's just really lovely for the homeowner to have it all nice and neat and looking beautiful.
Absolutely. But Leah, weatherboards. People forget the perfect finish to a weatherboard starts with the perfect preparation.
And automatically you'd think it's going to be a really big job as well.
Yeah, well, on my own, yes. But I've got you here. We can renew this project twice as fast because there's two of us. Okay, so you start off first by dusting off. Get rid of all the contaminants. Once you've dusted off, I like to use an electric sander to buzz over all the boards. That's going to help me get that lovely smooth finish. Once I've done that, give the whole lot of the weatherboards a wash down to make a clean surface. Then a little bit of gapping in between some of the boards and you're good to go. And remember, a quality exterior paint is crucial. And nowadays you should use a water-based exterior because it's much more flexible than oil-based and it doesn't crack. Having fun?
It's amazing actually how this colour, which is the same colour that you've already got but a fresh coat of paint, can really renew the whole look of this house. But here's an interesting question.
Yeah.
When you are painting the same colour, where do you start? How do you not leave bits out?
Okay, you just follow systems. So what you do, weatherboard home, what I like to do is always start at the top first because you work from the highest point down. Get all your high work done first, right? The other little tip, which is fantastic, is you always, so you don't miss anything, when you do a board, start at the end and go all the way to the other end and finish that board, then do the next board.
Okay, so that way you know exactly where you've already painted and you're not going to leave any spots out.
And when you do it, the way to do it is not only do you need a quality brush, but the technique is we want to get the underneath lip first. So we make sure that we give that a nice coat of paint and you actually hit the board underneath and smooth it over because you're going to paint that later. Then you load up your quality brush again and you do the face of the board and get the paint on and then nice long strokes with that quality brush, which gets rid of the brush marks and makes it look sensational.
I don't know about you, Mark, but when I was putting on that second coat after doing the first one, it just went on so beautifully. It was just a dream to put on.
Yeah, but see what happens with your first coat, it's a dry, porous surface, so the paint doesn't flow as well. You put that second coat on, it glides over and you get a much more consistent colour.
And it has got such a consistent colour. I mean, look how beautiful and refreshed it looks. And I mean, 2 coats. Good preparation, 2 coats of paint, 2 people, and look at the whole look is now renewed.
And in half the time.
Yeah.
Cool.